name is Chloe.
And welcome today, Winton School. I'm Matariki. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our meeting the 12th of June.
Okay, we start the day off with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is I, which is te reo for yes.
Ka pai. Okay, on to library news. The library is open today for returns, browsing and issues.
It's nice and friendly and warm and dry inside, and the best school library in Southland.
A big kia kaha to all our students representing Winton School today at Central Cross Country. Go big!
Okay, high vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Health and safety news. All wet and muddy areas around the school are out of bounds.
Play away from the mud and water this winter. Anyone caught bringing mud inside will be in trouble.
Competition time. Okay, it's time to start promoting our school production. And even with ESOPs.
If you're into competitions, go to the office and see Mrs. Reid for the information sheets.
All posters need to be in by Friday, the 26th of June.
No birthdays today at Winton School today.
But on Sunday, there are 4. Kendrick Dela Cruz is turning 10.
Molly Magaya is turning 9.
And Charlie and Carter Barnes are turning 7.
Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthdays.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, both front and behind the camera, ka kite a te wiki.
Haere ora, Winton School!